Okay.
Bring it over those tall grasses and then right towards us. There you go. Just let it crab keep flying. That was good. Bump it. Bump it. Won't do it. I think you should do another go around. That was too good.
I've always, for a long time now, been good at landing this.
Mm-hmm. Got to figure it out.
Yeah.
Other than you look like you're freezing.
Oh, yeah. Push his little nose down.
Wingtip, wingtip. Hope I got that. Little scrape, little scrape. Okay. Bring her over the swamp and then land her in front of us. There you go. Coming over the Everglades. Look at that. Bring her down, bring her down. She's floating. You got her, you got her. Keep her going, keep her going. You got her, keep her going. Do it again. You could do just a tad better on that. There you go. Bring her down low. You can always add. There, add a little gas. Nice. Nice. Oh, you had it till right at the end. Bump the tail down. Do it again. You had her and you decided, put it on the ground. Let's see, full up. Pull full up. That should go.
Nose came off. What was that front tire?
Yeah, they should be. That should be okay.
What's going on?
Give her a little push. Ready? Okay. That interesting.
Good.
There's your breeze.
Coming right at us.
Coming right on our back. Oh. Keep flying it. Wow! Sweet.
Nose heavy right now. Oh, not nose heavy, but the gear is so far back.
Yeah.
It's causing it.
Yeah.
Okay.
And you don't want to mess it up, you know. So that was good.
She's back in the saddle.